welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to set up trust wallet for Uniswap. Yes, if you need to connect your Uniswap with trust wallet, so how can you do? In this video I am giving you complete information, so please must watch this video till end. But before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So simple, go to my YouTube channel, click on video portion. If you see, my last video is how to change the network of your trust wallet, and before the last video, they connect the trust wallet with PancakeSwap. If you have not watched that video, so please watch this video also. It's very informative video for you. So today we are going to set up our trust wallet with Uniswap. So I'm going to open the browser where I want to install trust wallet. First I need to install trust wallet, then I will connect my trust wallet with Uniswap. Simple, going to right here trust wallet, and simple click on trustwallet.com, and after that just simple click on Google Chrome extension. I have already made the video about how to create the trust wallet. So simple, go to my YouTube channel and that watch video, then you can easily understand how can you create the account in trust wallet. So simple click on trust wallet, plugin, add to extension. After click on add to extension, after some time the extension will be download and install at your browser. It maybe take some time, and then you can easily connect or create your trust wallet with Uniswap. So in meanwhile I am going to also open the CoinMarketCap. Simple, I have just right here CoinMarketCap and waiting the open just failed. So simple click on resume. You can see here the plugin is going to download start. It's maybe there's some issue with my internet, so that they not shown anything. I have click on Google and type here Uniswap, or directly you can open CoinMarketCap. It depends on you. I'm going to first of all open CoinMarketCap because I want to discuss the rank of Uniswap in top crypto website. Simple click on it, then you can see here the Bitcoin price is this time $16,872, and you can easily find the Uniswap from this list. You can see here the Uniswap this time is rank is 17 number, and they are shown $5.16. Simple click on it, and now you can see here the price is $5.16. If you need to check the all-time high of this price, so you can see here the price is $43. So if you need to connect this Uniswap with your trust wallet, first you need to set up your trust wallet. After that you can easily connect. Let's suppose you have download already trust wallet, as you have create account and you have select the network of Ethereum. So I'm going to click the directly website of uniswap.org or blog. So I'm just simple click on uniswap.org, and there is shown launch app if you have installed already trust wallet. So I'm going to check my trust wallet installed or not. There is an error occurred, download, reload. So simple click on again add to Google Chrome, add extension. So first we need to wait. Yes, you can see here the trust wallet installed. at my system. I will simple click on going on Trust Wallet icon and now create a wallet. Simple click on no thanks, enter your password. I've entered my password and going to again enter my password. You must enter your strong password if you save your account, so simple click on proceed. When you click on proceed, so in next portion you will check your seed phrases, so simple click on got it, simple copy your seed phrases and open the notepad file. I just simple type here notepad file. Yes, you can see here notepad file is shown in front of me. Simple paste here my phrases and then proceed. And before going to create our account, you must confirm your seed phrases. You have saved yours correctly or not. And you can see here first swing, rain, tower and page, swing, rain, tower, and next is page, retreat, fresh, page, retreat, fresh, and next is video, bean, paper, and last three is substance, root and high. So I have select all correct phrases, simple click on next button and click on open wallet. Now my wallet is set up for Uniswap and you can see here I have select the network of Ethereum. So going to click on setting button and yes, you can see here I have select by default Ethereum network. Now going to connect our Uniswap wallet with Trust Wallet, simple click on launch app and then the new page open in front of you, simple click on get started or you can simple click on connect, that's depend on you, and you can also select the network. So this time I have select Trust Wallet network of Ethereum, so that I just simple click on Ethereum network. So going to click on connect and now you can see here their browser wallet, Coinbase wallet and wallet connect. So I'm going to click on browser wallet. Now you can see here the option is available here, connect to Trust Wallet and connect, allow sending request to transaction and move fund without your permission, want to not allow. So simple click on connect. Now my Trust Wallet is going to connect it with Uniswap and you can see here my wallet is shown here. I have not any balance on my this wallet, so that there is shown zero balance. So if you need to swap any coin to other coin, simple click on your selected coin from first row. Let's suppose I have one Ethereum and I need to swap with other, simple click on this and let's suppose I need to USDT. I just spend one Ethereum and then I will get 1219 USDT at my wallet. So simple click on swap button after the confirmation, so your Ethereum will be detected from your wallet and you will receive USDT at your wallet. So I hope you properly understand. If you connect or if you set up your Trust Wallet with Uniswap, so if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo, and also you can comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. You can search your own self of this website on Google and then you can properly understand, then you can easily connect your wallet and you can swap your one coin to other coin. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.